Foxconn is under the scanner for allegedly not recruiting married women. This after reports that Foxconn is not recruiting married women and married women are denied jobs at the Foxconn plant, which is situated in the outskirts of Chennai in Sri Perambuttur. In fact, this comes after the centre had intervened and had asked the Tamil Nadu Labour Department to submit a detailed report on whether Foxconn is prohibiting married women from joining the Foxconn plant. And as per the central government, it states that as per Section 5 of Equal Remuneration Act 1976, there should be no discrimination made while recruiting workers to work at the factory. Foxconn so far has not issued a statement. An email to the Foxconn has gone unanswered. They haven't responded yet to the query sent to them. But this after Reuters had published a report on Tuesday saying that Foxconn is not recruiting married women, and the report goes on to say that some of the reasons that Foxconn is not recruiting married women include the fact that women focus more on family issues, they may get pregnant and they won't be able to work full-fledged, which is why they are not recruiting married women. This was a report published by Reuters on Tuesday. The centre has taken cognizance of the report and had asked the Tamil Nadu Labour Department to send a detailed report on whether Foxconn is denying married women from working at the facility. Remember, the Apple plant located at Sri Perambuttur in Foxconn is home to thousands of employees, and they are involved in the manufacturing of Apple iPhones. But the Reuters report states that married women are denied to work at the Foxconn plant. So far, Foxconn has remained silent. We'll have to wait and see when the Tamil Nadu Labour Department will now submit the report to the centre. But the centre has taken note of the report. However, sources from Foxconn plant say that it's not true that Foxconn denies married women an opportunity to work at the Foxconn plant. Sources from Foxconn say that it's not true. There are married women who work at the factory and calls the report baseless, but an official statement or response to our queries are yet to be answered by the Foxconn team. With camera person Saravanan, this is Purnama Murli for CNN News 18.